Answers to why my PC won't turn on. The NVMe is a RGB filler and not an actual NVMe. The CPU is way too old for the new motherboard. The RAM is DDR3, so it won't work. The PSU switch is turned off. The 24-pin connector is not connected properly. And for the hardest to find, there was only one 8-pin cable, while the RTX 3070 needs two 8-pin cables. Did you guess all of them correct? Why won't my test bench turn on? Find the mistakes.